Hello kids, good morning everyone. Welcome to a tutorial of Vinayak Public School, Khazrot, Ayodhya. My name is Priya and I will teach you today's subject Math Kindergarten. Let's begin. Addition by forward counting. So 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Observe the above pattern and add. So students, 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So students, 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So students, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So students, 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So students, 40 plus 6 is equal to 46. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So student, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 20, 21, 22. So student, 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30. So student, 23 plus 7 is equal to 30. 3, 4, 5, 6. So student, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. 21, 22, 23. 21 plus 2 is equal to 23. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So student, 32 plus 8 is equal to 14. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So student, 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. Learn the Observe the above pattern and add. Thank you.